Hello and good morning. In this particular video we are here to do nothing. We are here to decode the syllabus of geography for CSC, any civil service examination. It's whether it is BPSC, whether it is UPPCS, whether it is UPSC. We will decode the syllabus of geography. Look, the syllabus of geography is very big. Even the syllabus of every subject has its own importance, and every subject has very big syllabus, and we have no idea, we are not able to understand what to read. That's why we faced fiasco, we failed in the examination. Geography has we can say geography has two topics. If we decode the syllabus of geography, then geography has two topics. First is physical and second is human. Indian geography is also part, it is also, but it comes in part of physical geography. For human geography you have to read 8, 10 and 12. It is the class 8, class 10 and class 12 NCERT book. Here we will discuss on physical geography. In later part of, in some other video, we will discuss on human geography. Look, physical geography has also three main part. First is geomorphology, second is climatology, and third is oceanography. These are the topic, these are the three main important topic. Okay, and here we will discuss the topic of geomorphology, topic of climatology and topic of oceanography, as well as the main source and main chapter of NCERT book. So first, in geomorphology, Earth, we have to read about Earth, the part of Earth, the motion of Earth, rotation, revolution, okay, local and standard time, IST, in international date time, as well as we have to read interior of Earth. And for this Earth and interior of Earth, you have to read, you will find the source of this topic is chapter 1 and chapter 2 of NCERT class 6 geography book, along with class 7 geography chapter 2 and physical geography, fundamental of physical geography of class 11th book chapter 2 and chapter 2 and 3. For Earth and interior of the Earth, you have to read class 6 NCERT, class 7 NCERT, class 11 NCERT chapter 2. Here I will write class 6 chapter 2 and 3. For class 7 chapter 2 and class 11, you have to read chapter 2 and chapter 3. Rocks are important topic, type of rocks जैसे igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic rocks. So for this topic you have to read class 11 and chapter 5. Same earthquake is a topic where you have to read about waves, P waves, S waves. Okay, shadow zone is part of earthquake. You find, for this you have to read class 11th NCERT book chapter 3rd. Next topic is volcano. For volcano you have to read class 9th chapter 2nd and 11th chapter 6 as well as chapter 7. In geomorphology, geomorphic process, endogenetic process and exogenetic process, and landform and their evolution, these are very important topic. And for this, if you read class 11th NCERT book of chapter 7, the chapter 7 of class 11th NCERT book, that is sufficient for geomorphic process, endogenetic force, exogenetic force, and erosional landform and depositional landform. All these topic you will cover from one particular chapter. So these are 5 or 6 topic. First is earth, then interior of earth. Again I am repeating, first is earth, then interior of earth, rock, earthquake, volcano, geomorphic process. These are the important topic of geomorphology. And if you go to read climatology, then composition of atmosphere and structure of atmosphere like stratosphere, troposphere, exosphere, mesosphere. For this you have to read chapter 4 of class 7 NCERT, again chapter 4 of class 9 NCERT, and chapter 8 of class 11 NCERT. The second topic of climatology is solar radiation. It is heat budget and temperature, heat balance and temperature. So chapter 9th of 11th NCERT, standard 11th NCERT is sufficient. Atmospheric circulation and weather system, you have, for this you have to read class 9th NCERT chapter 4 and 11th NCERT chapter 10. Next topic in climatology is planetary wind, pattern of planetary wind, okay, and circulation. As a air circulation we have read Hadley cell, Ferrel cell, and again you have to read seasonal wind, local wind. For this topic you have to read chapter 4th of class 7 NCERT and chapter 10th and 11th of 11th NCERT. Next topic is water in the atmosphere, water vapor, precipitation, humidity, dew point, evaporation, condensation. All this topic will be covered in chapter 11th of class 11th book of NCERT. Okay, now world climate is a part of climatology. You have to read, for this you have to read J.C. Long book. Okay, again I am repeating the climatology topic. First is composition of atmosphere, structure of atmosphere. For this you have to read NCERT book. NCERT book is necessary. This is absurd. Composition of atmosphere and structure of atmosphere. For this you have to read chapter 4 of NCERT book class 7, again chapter 4 of class 9, chapter 8 of class 11 and chapter 4 of class 11. Heat balance, for heat balance and temperature you have to read chapter 9 of class 11. For atmospheric circulation and weather system you have to read chapter 4 of class 9th, chapter 10th of class 11. Next topic is pattern of planetary wind and air circulation, that is Hadley cell and Ferrel cell. You have to read chapter 4 of class 7 and chapter 10th and 11th of class 11th and J.C. Long book, J.C. Leon book. And world climate, for this you have to read J.C. Leon book. Oceanography is a topic. For this just you have to read class 11th book, chapter 13 and chapter 14. Say oceanography, the topic is continental shell, division of ocean floor, minor relief feature, okay, temperature of ocean water, salinity of ocean water. These are the chapter of ocean. And again in oceanography, movement of ocean water. Here you have to read factor influencing movement, that is temperature, salinity, density, motion, horizontal and vertical current waves, current name, type of ocean current, and the current that is moving in the on part of ocean, the name of the current that is moving in part of ocean. For this you have to read, for oceanography you have to read class 11 NCERT chapter 13 and chapter 14. Okay, so these are the topic of physical geography. For human geography you have to read class 8, 10 and 12 book of geography book of NCERT. Okay, this was the syllabus of physical geography. Thank you.